welcome to Advantage Pro. In this video, we are going to see about NCERT Solutions Class 7 Science Chapter 9 Soil. This is a premiering video. Before going into the book back exercise questions, I am saying to take notes. Hope you all taking notes because we in this awkward situation also we are taking this much of notes for you. So please make a use of it. And the book back exercise first question is tick the most suitable answer in the question 1 and 2. In addition to the rock particles, the soil contains air and water and plants. Third one, mineral, organic, air and water and plants. Answer. In addition to the rock particles, the soil contains mineral, organic matter and air and water. And the second question is the water holding the capacity is the highest in sandy soil or clayey soil or loamy soil or mixture of sand and loam. Answer is the water holding capacity is the highest in the clayey soil. And the book back exercise third question is match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. Column 1, a home for living organisms, a large particles, upper layer of the soil, all kinds of soil, sandy soil, dark in color, mode layer of small particles and packed tight, clay soil, lesser amount of. This is the question. You can imagine what will be the answer. If you study well, you can know this answer, and the answer is column 1, a home for living organisms or all kinds of soil. Upper layer of the soil is dark in color. Sandy soil is in large particles, and the middle layer of the soil is lesser amount of humus, and the clay soil is small particles and packed tight. And the fourth question is explain how soil is formed. Soil is formed through the process of weathering. Weathering is a process of physical breakdown and chemical decomposition of rocks and minerals near or at the surface of earth. This physical and chemical decomposition is primarily done by wind, water and climate. As a result of these processes, large rocks pieces are converted into smaller pieces and eventually to soil. And the fifth question is how is clay soil useful for crops? Answer. Following are the properties of clay soil. First one, it has a very good water holding for capacity. It is a rich in organic matter for growing crops such as wheat, gram and paddy. The soil is a good retaining water and the rich in organic matter. Therefore, the clay soil having these characteristics are useful for such kind of crops. And the sixth question is list the difference between clay soil and sandy soil. You can imagine what will be the answer. If you study well and watch all the videos from our company, you will know the thing. And the answer is soil. It has much small particles. Loamy soil. It has much larger particles. It can hold good amount of water. It cannot hold good amount of water. It is a fertile. It is not fertile. Air content is low. Air get trapped between the particles. Particles are lightly packed. Particles are loosely packed. Good for varying crops, not suitable for growing crops. And the seventh question is sketch of a cross of a soil and label the various layers. Answer is first one is a horizon, which there is no matches of stones. Second one also horizon, there will be some stones. And the third one is also horizon, there will be big stones, and the bedrock that will be very big. And the ratio eighth question is ratio conducted an experiment in the field related to the rate of percolation. She observed that it took 40 minutes for 200 liter of water to percolate through the soil sample. Calculate the percolation. Given amount of water 200 milliliter, percolation 40 minutes. Therefore the percolation 200 milliliter for 40 milliliter. So the answer is 5 milliliter. And the ninth question which is going on screen is explain how soil pollution and soil erosion could be prevented. You can imagine what will be the answer, and if you watch all the videos from Advantage Pro, you will know the answer. And the answer is prevention of soil pollution. The persistent buildup of the toxic components in soil is defined as soil pollution. To prevent soil pollution, its causes must be controlled. The reduced use of plastics and polythene bags will destroy the soil. So we can't use plastic. Industrial pollutants. Some waste come from the pollution, so we can't use that. Incidents, some incidents of soil cause the soil. And the prevention of soil is removal the upper fertile layer of the soil topsoil by strong wind, and following is known as soil erosion. Following steps can be taken reduce soil erosion: a mass awareness to reduce deforestation for industrial purposes, helping local people to regenerate digging and planting trees. And the 10th question is solve the following crossword puzzle with the given clues. And the across one is second one plantation prevents it. Fifth one use should be banned to avoid pollution. And the sixth one is type of soil used for making pottery. Seventh one is living organism in the soil. And the down questions are: in the desert, erosion occurs through clay and loam are suitable for cereals like. And the fourth one is this type of soil can hold very little water. And the fifth one is collective name of layer of soil, which I have already said. You can note it. Noted means you can say these answers. And the answers of the questions were plantation prevents it, erosion use should be banned to avoid soil pollution, polythene. And the type of soil used for making pottery is clay. And the seventh one is living organism in the soil is earthworm. And the down, the desert soil erosion occurs through wind. And the clay and loam are suitable to cereals like wheat. This type of soil can hold very little water is sandy. And the fifth one is profile. And the session is over by Advantage Pro.